you know that we're always looking for a better night's sleep. And not too long ago, Froli, a company that is over in Germany, we have contacted the rep here in America, and they're working with us to try out a product. Froli, here's the star. So that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be installing this. So there is not much testing of this in a tractor trailer. So this company started these originally for things like sailboats, RVs, and things like that. But we thought it would be a great fit for a tractor trailer so that truckers could get a better night's sleep. So we're gonna give it a test. We have two different designs that we're gonna be trying. This is the first one that we're trying. This is a star. So there's these blue ones, and then there's those blue ones. So these ones fill most of like your body, and then these are more for like your shoulder support. And if you need it a little bit more firm, then you can attach these in the center of here. They clip in, and it helps give it a little bit more tension, which adds a little bit more firmness. So they go in like this, and once it's put together, then it completes the entire system. So here we go. Mistake number one already. So I put some of them like this and some of them like this. Now they can't snap together evenly across the board to make the checkerboard pattern to start the base. So now we have to take some of the rows back apart so that we can snap them all together correctly. Take two.